Hi guys, welcome to Coturnix Corner. My name's Terry, and just out here in the shop taking care of the birds, checking water levels and whatnot. I did notice when I got out here that the temperature in the shop here is now 88 degrees, which that's not too awful high, but it's getting up there with a humidity range of 61%. So I thought I'd take a minute to talk to you guys about heat related or temperature related heat stress in quail. During high ambient temperatures, quail can experience heat stress. Heat stress can cause a myriad of problems, including lack of production, reduced feed intake, which is going to affect your growth rates, and your mortality rates go up. During heat stress, the bird's internal temperatures rises, and the quail will deal with this by going through what's known as respiratory evaporation, panting in other words. I'm sure you've seen it. Your bird will open his mouth and his throat will be pumping in and out. That's him panting. That's his way of cooling himself down. Okay, when the birds are panting, it's basically just a form of hyperventilation. What they're doing is breathing in and out real fast, and the air moving across the respiratory tract in their lungs evaporates the moisture, which causes a cooling effect. And when these birds are under heat stress, the birds lose a lot more water than they normally would if they were in their thermal comfort zone, and they tend to drink more water. But they also are losing electrolytes through the panting process and through urination. So what you need to do is, or what I do, is supply them with a mineral, vitamin, electrolyte solution. It's basically Gatorade for quails. When I first started keeping quail, I was buying this stuff called Save-A-Chick Electrolyte. It's pretty much available at any feed store. I think I got this at Tractor Supply for like $2 or $3. You get 3 packets, and each packet will do 1 gallon of water. Since then, I've switched over to a little bit bigger packets. These are made by Dervet, and it's vitamins and electrolytes. And I think the dosage on this is a half a teaspoon per gallon of water. As far as the frequency that I administer this stuff, the chicks will get it from day one up until the time they go into the grow out pens. My grow outs, my adults, and layers, I give it to them 3 times a week, unless I notice them if they're panting excessively, or if the temperatures in the quail room get up over 90, between 91 and 93, then I'll usually add a little bit to their water just to be on the safe side. So as far as other supplements, I have heard of people using apple cider vinegar in their quail's water. I myself do not. I know there's a big following online for it, and a lot of people swear by it, saying that it's beneficial to their birds. I just have not seen the studies that prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that this stuff apple cider vinegar is benefiting my quail. So I stick with the commercially produced electrolytes and vitamins. I'm not saying that it doesn't work. It very well may, but until I see proof otherwise, I'll just stick with what I know works. I hope that helps, guys. Pay attention to your quail. They basically tell you what they need. If they're panting and they're hot, or they're fluffed up and they're got their wings out, they very well could be heat stressed, and you may want to think about adding electrolytes and vitamin mineral supplements to their water. Okay, I hope this helps. If you've got any questions or comments, good or bad, post them in the comment section below. I think our next video coming up is going to be on how to build a DIY incubator, and yeah, we'll let you know on that one. I appreciate you joining us today, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.